Welcome to Proformance Unlimited. This is one of our 540 big block Chevys. We build a lot of these, all kinds of big block Chevys from 427s all the way up to the 632 monster motors, but this 540 is rated at 650 horsepower. Basically what that means is you got Edelbrock heads and a specific camshaft with an air gap manifold and a 750 Holley carburetor. That kind of, basically decides on how much power these bad boys make. They always make more. Typically 670 horsepower, 700 foot-pounds of torque, fully forged bottom ends, brand new Chevrolet blocks. The March kits, of course, are optional. That's, of course, an upgrade on price. You can check with Steve on that, or there may be some prices on the web that you can check out. But these engines are absolutely badass. This one's going in a Chevelle for the customer. But our engines feature, like I said, forged bottom end, Edelbrock heads. We put our own valve springs on here. We go through the heads ourselves. Carburetors from Holley, brand new stuff. Not the old series, but the new HP series stuff. MSD Build Distributors, your choice of plug wires from Taylor. Doug can custom paint it if you got a paint color. He does a fantastic job custom painting the engine. That's a little bit of a price upgrade too. Like I said, check us out, customcrateengines.com by Proformance Unlimited. If you're not looking for a Chevy, you're looking for a Ford or a Chrysler, Pontiac, Oldsmobile, any domestic V8 engine from the 60s, and check out our LS series of engines. We're building a ton of them right now, and they are absolutely awesome. Check us out, customcrateengines.com by Proformance Unlimited, or give us a call at 800-267-3940. Thanks a lot.
Nice big block.